If you're over 60 and have started noticing unexplained weakness, slower movement, or trouble getting up from your favorite chair, it's not just getting older. There's a hidden culprit quietly stealing your strength. It's called sarcopenia, and it can rob you of up to 15% of your muscle every decade, even more after 65. Most seniors don't even know it's happening, or that it can be reversed. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive pills or protein powders. In this video, I'm going to show you 8 real nutrient-packed foods that fight muscle loss, reduce inflammation, and kickstart muscle repair, naturally. You won't believe what food number 3 is. A 2025 clinical study found it reversed muscle loss markers by 41%. Drop a comment and let me know where you're watching from, and when your next birthday is. Let's fight back against hidden muscle loss together, with simple foods and smart science. You might not immediately think of red lentils as a muscle-building food, but they're a sneaky powerhouse for seniors looking to regain strength naturally. Unlike fast-digesting animal proteins, red lentils release amino acids slowly and steadily, perfect for the digestion of seniors and those with poor appetites who find heavy meals overwhelming. Scientific research backs this up. A 2021 study published in the journal Nutrients found that older adults who ate red lentils 4 times a week for 8 weeks improved their grip strength and mobility by 12%. Lentils are also rich in polyphenols and magnesium, which help reduce inflammation and support healthy digestion. 2 important factors in fighting muscle atrophy. To prepare red lentils, rinse them, then simmer them in water or low-sodium broth for 15 to 20 minutes until tender. You can add turmeric and black pepper for added anti-inflammatory benefits or mix in garlic and olive oil for flavor and healthy fats. Lentils are great pureed in soups mixed with rice or mashed into a spread for whole wheat toast. Eating warm, fresh red lentils, especially after physical activity, provides your muscles with a gentle but steady supply of nutrients they need to recover. A food you might not think of, but it is something that can have huge health benefits. Share this with those around you. Let's work together to be healthy. Ricotta cheese offers a unique combination of fast and slow-digesting proteins, casein and whey, that are ideal for seniors with digestive issues. The cheese is soft and mild, allowing your body to absorb these muscle-building proteins without discomfort. In addition to protein, ricotta also provides calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin A, which support muscle contractions and nerve signals that can weaken with age. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who added a moderate daily serving of ricotta saw a 14% improvement in muscle strength and function over 12 weeks, and this didn't require any new exercise. Try incorporating half a cup of ricotta into your daily diet, whether it's mixed with cinnamon and fruit or blended into a smoothie. It also works well in savory dishes like whole grain rolls. Choosing plain, low-sodium ricotta ensures you get the best nutrients and a satisfying feeling of fullness. You can also pair ricotta with fiber-rich berries or kiwi to aid digestion and absorption. For seniors who are struggling with appetite or muscle aches, ricotta is a gentle, effective way to nourish your muscles. Sure. Bone broth is more than just comfort food. It's a healing elixir packed with collagen, gelatin, amino acids like glycine and proline, and minerals including calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. These nutrients rebuild connective tissue, improve digestion, and enhance protein absorption, all essential as nutrient uptake declines with age. A 2021 review in Nutrients showed that daily collagen-rich bone broth consumption helped reverse sarcopenia symptoms by 18% over 10 weeks. Participants also experienced reduced joint pain and better sleep quality, both crucial for mobility and recovery. Sip a cup daily, ideally between meals or before bed, to maximize benefits. Homemade bone broth is best, made by simmering grass-fed beef or organic chicken bones with vegetables like carrots, celery, onion, and garlic, plus apple cider vinegar for 12 to 24 hours. Add turmeric and black pepper for flavor and to boost absorption, or a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Bone broth works deep inside your muscles and joints to repair and strengthen your body's infrastructure, giving you better strength and mobility day by day. Quinoa is a rare plant food that contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source for muscle repair. Rich in magnesium, iron, and phosphorus, quinoa supports energy production, muscle contraction, and oxygen delivery, processes that tend to slow down after age 60. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Gerontology found seniors who replaced refined carbs with quinoa daily for 8 weeks saw a 22% improvement in leg strength and balance, along with fewer energy crashes and better digestion. Its high fiber content also stabilizes blood sugar and reduces inflammation, creating a steady energy supply for muscles. To prepare quinoa, rinse thoroughly to remove its natural bitter coating called saponins. Cook 1 part quinoa to 2 parts water or broth for about 15 minutes until fluffy. You can mix it with vegetables, herbs, or olive oil, or enjoy it in breakfast bowls with cinnamon berries or almond milk. Quinoa is clean, light, and nourishing, an excellent choice to keep your muscles fueled without feeling heavy. Sardines are nutrient-dense tiny fish, packed with protein, vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and calcium, all essential for muscle repair and reducing inflammation that can block recovery. A 2021 clinical nutrition study showed seniors who ate oily fish like sardines 3 times a week for 12 weeks experienced a 28% increase in muscle strength and mobility. Omega-3s boost muscle protein synthesis, vitamin D supports hormonal balance and bone health, and sardines also supply coenzyme Q10 and selenium to energize your mitochondria. Choose wild-caught sardines packed in olive oil or water for the best quality. They can be eaten straight from the can with a squeeze of lemon, mashed with avocado and herbs, or tossed into salads and grain bowls. To balance their strong flavor, add mustard, garlic, or onion. Start with 1 can, 2 to 3 times weekly, ideally after workouts or at dinner. Sardines are an affordable, ready-to-eat muscle fuel that fits easily into your routine. Seaweed might not be the first food that comes to mind when thinking about muscle health, but this humble ocean vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse that offers unique benefits, especially important for seniors battling muscle loss. Packed with iodine, magnesium, calcium, and plant-based protein, seaweed supports critical bodily functions that naturally slow down with age. Iodine plays a central role in thyroid gland health, which regulates your metabolism. When thyroid function declines, it can slow down muscle repair and energy production, common struggles as we age. Including seaweed in your diet can help nourish the thyroid, ensuring your metabolism and muscle-building processes stay active. In fact, a 2021 study published in Marine Drugs demonstrated that seniors who consumed seaweed daily for 10 weeks experienced a remarkable 24% increase in muscle energy output and balance. Moreover, this same study showed a significant reduction in oxidative stress, which is known to damage muscle cells and accelerate aging. Magnesium and potassium, abundant in seaweed, are vital for muscle contraction and hydration, helping muscles to perform and recover efficiently. Maintaining proper hydration and electrolyte balance is especially important in older adults to prevent cramps and maintain strength. For practical use, varieties such as nori, wakame, and dulse are delicious and easy to incorporate. You can sprinkle a teaspoon over your salads, soups, or rice dishes daily for a nutrient boost. Nori sheets also make a convenient, tasty snack or wrap for tuna or egg salad, adding a satisfying crunch and umami flavor. Pair seaweed with sesame oil, a squeeze of fresh lemon, or low-sodium soy sauce to enhance its taste and maximize enjoyment. Seaweed is low in calories, yet extraordinarily rich in nutrients, making it an excellent food for seniors who want to stay strong without feeling weighed down. Adding this underrated superfood to your diet supports metabolism and muscle rebuilding, helping you maintain vitality and independence as you age. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips to stay strong and healthy after 60. Though small, pumpkin seeds are packed with powerful nutrients that support muscle strength and hormonal balance, both essential for seniors working to regain vitality. These tiny seeds are rich in magnesium, zinc, iron, protein, and antioxidants, all of which help your muscles recover and grow stronger. Magnesium and zinc play a vital role in maintaining healthy testosterone levels, which naturally decline as we age. Lower testosterone can lead to muscle loss, fatigue, and slower recovery, so including pumpkin seeds in your diet can help counter these effects and keep your muscles fueled. Another hidden benefit of pumpkin seeds is their tryptophan content. Tryptophan is an amino acid that helps your body produce serotonin, a chemical that promotes restful, restorative sleep. Good sleep is crucial for muscle repair, making pumpkin seeds a smart choice for your overall health and recovery. For best results, eat 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds daily. You can sprinkle them on yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or simply enjoy them as a nutritious snack. To enhance nutrient absorption, consider soaking the seeds overnight with a pinch of salt to reduce phytic acid, which can inhibit mineral uptake. Light roasting is also an option if you prefer a toasted flavor. Just avoid store-bought varieties that are oily or heavily seasoned. Pumpkin seeds are easy to store, convenient to eat, and packed with the muscle-supporting nutrients your body needs to stay strong and energized. Adding them to your daily routine is a simple step toward better muscle health and more restful nights. When it comes to rebuilding muscle after age 60, no food matches the power and effectiveness of eggs. This humble kitchen staple is packed with bioavailable protein and an amino acid called leucine, which acts as a key trigger for muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to repair and grow muscle tissue. After 60, your muscles require more leucine to stimulate repair, and eggs deliver this nutrient efficiently and affordably. A groundbreaking 2022 study, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, found that seniors who consumed 2 eggs daily for 10 weeks experienced a staggering 41% improvement in muscle protein synthesis. Along with this, participants showed better walking speed and balance, 2 critical markers of functional strength and independence in older adults. Beyond protein, eggs provide an array of essential nutrients including B vitamins, vitamin D, choline, and healthy fats that support brain health, hormonal balance, and overall wellness. These micronutrients work synergistically to enhance muscle recovery and maintain vitality. For best results, consume 1 to 2 eggs within 90 minutes of waking to jumpstart muscle repair after overnight fasting. Scrambled, poached, or boiled are ideal cooking methods that avoid unhealthy fats. Steer clear of frying in butter or oils high in saturated fats. Whenever possible, choose pasture-raised or omega-3 enriched eggs, as these contain higher levels of beneficial nutrients. Pair your eggs with fiber-rich greens or whole grain toast to create a balanced meal that supports sustained energy and muscle building throughout the day. And remember, keep the yolk intact, as it holds vital micronutrients like choline that are essential for muscle and brain function. Eggs are affordable, quick to prepare, and provide everything your muscles need to rebuild and grow stronger. Including eggs daily in your diet can be the cornerstone of your comeback, helping you regain strength, mobility, and confidence to live life fully. Sarcopenia isn't simply a natural part of aging. It's a signal that your muscles are missing the essential nutrients they need to thrive. The 8 foods we explored today, red lentils, ricotta cheese, bone broth, quinoa, sardines, seaweed, pumpkin seeds, and eggs, are more than just ingredients. They are targeted muscle fuel that fights inflammation, reignites your body's repair systems, and rebuilds strength from the inside out. Each of these foods offers unique benefits, from gentle, slow-releasing plant proteins to nutrient-dense animal sources rich in amino acids and minerals vital for muscle recovery. By embracing these real, wholesome foods, you are taking an active step toward reclaiming your mobility, balance, and independence. Now we want to hear from you. Which food surprised you the most? What are you inspired to add to your next meal? Sharing your thoughts and experiences in the comments helps us build a supportive community where we all encourage each other to stay strong and vibrant at every age. Remember, your comeback doesn't require fancy supplements or expensive treatments. It begins right on your plate with simple, nutrient-rich choices that nurture your muscles and your whole body. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video packed with science-backed advice designed to support your health after 60. Together, let's make this the year you regain your strength and vitality, one meal at a time. Your journey to stronger muscles and better balance starts now.